Hey family, welcome to my YouTube channel and I'm back with another interesting video. Please click on the subscribe button if you are new and also on the notification bell to be notified once I upload a new video. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. In today's video, I share a natural darkening treatment and this works 100%. This treatment works in darkening your grays. Even if you do not have grays, it works in making your hair darker than it was. It helps to thicken hair. It helps to grow your hair fast. It will help you remove dandruff and flaky scalp. It can also be used as a natural shampoo. To begin, grab your leaves. This is bitter leaf, Vennonia amygdalina, spelled on the screen. It is a popular leaf used in preparing bitter leaf soup in Nigeria or any part in Africa. I come from a state in Nigeria where bitter leaf soup is a local delicacy. It is known as Olugbo in Igbo, Shiwaka in Hausa, and Ewuro in Yoruba. These leaves have been in existence for a long time, but only few people know of its medicinal and healing purpose. It is a bitter leaf plant, as its name implies. This leaf contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, and vitamin B2. This leaf can cure fever. It helps in diabetes. To get the best result from this leaf, it is best taking freshly squeezed from the leaves. We will be using only the leaves. But if you got the leaves together with the stalk, go ahead and remove the leaves from the stalk. Wash the leaves to remove the dirt. You do not need water for this process. That is because bitter leaf itself comes with lots of water, so no need to add water. What I'm saying is that you do not need water for the extraction of bitter leaf juice. You can do it the modern way by using your blender or juicer to blend the leaves with little water. But know that by adding little water, you have already diluted this. So I suggest you extract the bitter leaf juice by squeezing it. And this is the best way, if you ask me. It is not difficult. Just keep squeezing and before you know it, it starts foaming. It comes with a lot of foam, so just keep scrubbing it together with your hands. Some of the benefits of bitter leaf juice for your hair. It makes the hair shiny. It makes the hair full, especially for natural hair. It serves as a detangler. It conditions your hair. It eliminates dandruff. It naturally darkens your gray hair, even without gray. It gets rid of scalp diseases such as rashes, itchiness, and boils because it has antibacterial properties. And it also helps to stop breakage. Bitter leaf juice contains so many benefits. After squeezing, go ahead and sieve with a cheesecloth. This is to make sure no particles will get into the juice. As for the chaff, I'm not going to throw it away. I will eat it right after the video. You can put it in the refrigerator for making soup. I will go ahead and put it into my spray bottle. You are to use this spray after shampooing and allow to sit overnight or allow for some hours. Do not wash immediately. Remember to cover your hair with a plastic bag, and when it is time to rinse it out, go ahead and rinse, then moisturize your hair. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.